Imagine you wake up one morning with only 60K in your pocket, but 1 year later, you make almost 300K every single blessed day. Hey, my people, welcome back to FavourTv. Right now, we are talking about four unique business idea you can start in Nigeria. Or if you're planning to go to Nigeria or you're already in Nigeria, but you have no idea of any business you can start right now. Worry no man, I'm going to break it down some business that is moving right now in this year in Nigeria that you can go about. Like these businesses are hot in this year, no big money needed in most of them. Make sure you watch to this place, stay tuned to the end because number four is my favorite. Number one, we have POS business. Yes, POS business is number one business that moves smoothly here in Nigeria. You know how people need money because banks are far or bad network. That is why this POS business moves smoothly here in Nigeria. You can start this business by becoming a small bank in your area. Yes, you can start it like buy a small POS machine from 70K to 150. You can start this business in front of your area. In fact, in front of your compound, people are going to pay from it. Do you agree with me that every deposit withdrawal that people make, you are going to charge in that business? That is why this business is always on point and is always moving here in Africa. Many people are doing this business because they know what they are doing. You see a person that started with 70 to 150, up to 1 year, that person have gotten two sales there. Yes, because that business moves smoothly. Most of people don't like to go to bank. Most of people don't like it at all, especially me. Like this year, I can't remember the day I went to bank. Every day or every week, I always branch to peers that's close to my area because I don't have that time to go to bank. Imagine how much that POS is making on me only, not other people. You know that this business is always good. Selling this POS business, do you know how much that you are going to make in a month? Only a month. If you look for a nice place, a nice area that leg normally pass, vehicle, people normally pass every blessed day. In a month, you make up to 70 to 80K, only your profit. You understand? Because POS have taken over. If you want to recharge data, if you want to withdraw, if you want to deposit, POS can do it. You understand? This business is always good. If you're about to relocate to Nigeria and you are looking for one small business, you can start with just 150 to 300K. POS business is here for you to start here in Nigeria and it moves smoothly. Number two, we have phone accessories. Yes, everywhere you go, people are on their phone. Yes, this phone accessory is one of the best business that I love so much in Nigeria that move smoothly. Even if it is not start in a big way, at least you can start with little one, the portable one that your money can afford, like charger, earphone, power bank, case, skin guide, all those things. You can start this business like from 300 to 400K. This business is here for you to start it and it moves smoothly. Even if you don't have big capital like 5 million to 6 million, at least you can start with the little ones like chargers. Yes, all those called phone case, and it moves smoothly. You can shade it in your compound. Work a small table and business have started. You know, business in Nigeria moves smoothly if you put your effort in it. There is no business that is small, there is no business is big. It's how you handle a business that will determine how the business will grow. If you handle the business careful, the business will surely grow. But if you don't handle it careful, no matter how amount you put in that business, it will surely collapse. And many people that are into this business are making a loss. Yes, if you are looking for a small business idea you can start in this year, I recommend you to go into phone accessory because it's one of the best business that moves smoothly here in Nigeria. You know, Nigeria people love to carry a phone, like all those things. You get it now. This business moves perfect. And number three, we have small shop food business. Yes, you know that Nigeria people love to eat food. Yes, even if it's not restaurant, you know that things that call food. Don't measure it in Nigeria because they love food so much. Like concerning this small shop business, you can start like shawarma, puff puff, peanut, donut, bread. If you know how to bake all those cake, chin chin, this business is here for you to start here in Nigeria. If you're about to relocate to Nigeria or you are already in Nigeria but you have been thinking what type of business should I start, there are so many business that you can start in Nigeria with just small capital. Guess what? That business will turn you to a millionaire because Nigeria people know how to handle a business. They know how to run a business. That is why in a system in Nigeria, concerning business is always moving. Yeah, like this shop business, like shawarma, all those cafe is here for you to start just with little capital. You don't need a big mansion, you don't need a big plaza to go into this business. You understand? You can start like frying donuts, meat pie. You can supply it to office, schools, or traffic place. Yes, like all those busy place, you are going to make a lot, and you still add like mineral to it. Like this summertime, everywhere is hot. This business is always moving here in Africa. There is one of my friends that started this business in last year. Guess what? That girl is making a lot in shawarma. If you know how much that girl is making, only shawarma, I can't lie, because that girl know what she is doing in that business. It moves smoothly. And number four, my favorite is thrifted or Africa or vendor select business. Yes, this business is one of the best you can start in this year here in Nigeria. Like concerning these thrifted clothes or Africa clothes, you can buy from Bay, like second hand, and sell it to your area, sell it to your friends, still sell it in online. Let people know the kind of business you do, furnish it where inside all those Bay, you can still find a nice t-shirt in it and still sell it in a normal price. This business called OK Business, you can start it with 100, 150 or 300K to carry a pay. You know, things are going higher, but no matter how, if you carry a face grade, you are going to make it. Yes, like all those CC guys, they know how to wear nice clothes. Especially if you carry a nice one, you are going to make a lot. Concerning this business called OK. Businesses is good. There is nothing like business, especially if you are doing something that is putting something in your table every blessed day. You see the joy in it. Even if you are making only 2,000 naira in a day, it's something. At least you are not begging neighbors. You are not begging friends to eat. You understand? Even if pen, it's only pen you are selling. At least inside that pen, you are still going to make profit. That is why I love Nigeria so much because they love business. If you are looking for one African country that you will relocate about business, I recommend you to go Nigeria because if you come to Nigeria, your eye will open concerning business because Nigeria people don't do concerning business. You see a person that is selling only meat pie. You see that meat pie he or she is selling. You already built a mansion. That is how system of Nigeria work. If you love this video, turn off your thumbs on, your subscribe, especially your like. It help in a long way. Follow for more business idea and see you guys for the next business idea every week. I will remain your one and only Favors TV.